But in Sami society, it's very usual to still go to church. We don't have our old practices. Why don't the Sami people want to return to their old religion? This is a question that I got. And it's a really difficult question to answer. It's a very good question. It's a question that I have asked myself also many times. I think my best answer is that there isn't one answer to this. Like with so many things within the Sami culture, there are Sami people who want to return to their old religion. And then there are Sami people who are Christians, and they just believe that Christianity is the right religion. And then there are so many Samis who are atheists. But for me, yes, it is a little bit strange that we have the Sami people have been fighting for our rights actively, politically, since the beginning of the 1900s. We have been fighting for our rights to be Sami people in different ways. So it's a little bit strange to me that we don't fight for our spirituality more. It could be just because we never got so far. I feel like the Sami spirituality and the connection with nature is the basis of all of our culture. Another reason to why that hasn't happened is because of the worldview we have. It's not actually a religion. So in the society, we're talking about religions, like Christianity is a religion. So it's not that easy to make it official because it's not actually a religion. It's not that easy to transfer it into society because it's more like a way of thinking. So it's still there with us. It's just not so visible. But for me, I feel like this could be a good time in history to actually lift that spirituality also. Because I've seen so many other indigenous people who are actually practicing their ancient worldviews daily. They still have their traditions intact. They still live in that worldview that their ancestors did. But in Sámi, that is not the case. It doesn't look that way, at least. But in Sami society, it's very usual to still go to church for baptism, confirmations, weddings, funerals. We don't have our practices, our old practices. So I think that is a big part that is missing, yeah. So one thing that I want to add to this video is that a lot of Samis actually follow Christianity and the old Sami worldview. And this is absolutely not a new thing because people did that since the beginning of when Christianity came. So they would just add the Christian gods into their worldview because we already had so many gods. So there are Christian Samis who don't mix the old Sami worldview into their belief, but then there are Sami who do both. So both Christianity and their old worldview.